This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you a method that I use to fix the stick drift on my Xbox One controller without opening it up. So first, what I do is I rotate it to the right and I push down for about 10 times. And I do this in a circular motion. And then I stop, I rotate to the left about 10 times. And I press down the entire time. Then when I get done, I lift up just like this. And I push down. And I do this about 10 times as well. And then the next step after this is probably the most important part. Is I blow into the side here. I'll push this to the side. I'll take my mouth and I'll just blow in there. Just like this. And I'll try to get a good blow on the right angle. When I push it up, I'll blow in here. And I do it 4 times. And this will dislodge in kind of like dust on the sensors or something like that. And I've noticed that works strangely enough when I do that. And then I just repeat the process if it continues. Now this doesn't seem like it's a permanent fix, but if you're playing and then all of a sudden it starts drifting on you, you just blow in the side. You can also just try pushing down on it and then lifting up on it. And just manipulate the joystick, and it seems like it works. So let me know down in the comments below if just simply blowing in there works for you. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.